back at this place. I have filmed here before. This was an old YouTube video that was not very good, so I'm coming back to film stuff. Yes, that Trane XLI heat pump that people wanted me to get defrosting. Sadly, I don't think it's going to be running in heat mode today. It's about 50 degrees. Nah, it's not on. Last time I saw it was running in heat mode though. It is a XL20i. Here it is. It is a heat pump. The last time I was here it was running in heat mode, but I'm not going to get it defrosting. I hope to in the winter, but right now I'm not because it's not on. 2009 4-ton. Yep, I'll try to get this defrosting. And then this Nordyne here, the Copeland reciprocating compressor. 3-ton from 2004. Frigidaire. Here's another Nordyne. This one's a Tappan. GE motor. Copeland recip. This is worn off. It's gone. These are not going to be running. Copeland reciprocating compressor. This one doesn't have a logo. I'm sure it's just another Nordyne. 2.5 ton from 2004. Okay, and the next building over. Looks like everything is the same so far. These temp stars here. This one's not in service. Looks like it might. It's gonna get replaced because look at that. Huh. 4-ton from 2000. Wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. 2004. Copeland scroll. Yeah, that one's not in service. The disconnect was all taken apart and stuff. That's unusual. It might get replaced. Here's this ICP. This ICP unit looks like a Grandair or something like that. LG scroll compressor. Broad Ocean motor. It has not been running, of course. 2014 3-ton. Another one of these temp stars. 2 more. Copeland scroll. 2004 4-ton. Temp star 12s here. 4-ton. 2004. These aren't going to be running. Alright. For some reason I had to split this into 2 videos the last time I was here. But I'm just going to do it all now. Sad that none of these are running, but it's also reasonable because it's not cold enough for heat at a commercial property and not warm enough for cool. These are all just those temp stars. Copeland scroll compressor. Temp star 12. What is the point of the coil guards on these? They're so big, like they don't do anything. Oh, this shakes back and forth. For 10 from 2003. From 2001. Scroll compressor. Copeland scroll. Uh, 2003. $5-ton. This one's a 5-ton. 2001 4-ton. Well, this one has the logo on the top of it. Here's the last one. Oh my. Those are loose. Here's the compressor. Scroll. 4-ton from 2004. These shake. Alright, I think that's it. Just gonna look around here. Yep, this is it. If I find any more, I'll start filming again, but for now, out. Alright, found 2 more. Two more air conditioners. These are American Standard or Trane. Yep, there's the data on that one. I don't think I can tell. 2018 maybe, but it's hard to read. I'm not quite close enough. But yep. There's those. They don't look to be heat pumps. But yep. 2 American Standard or Trane air conditioners. And this is right by a big tower. So yeah, out.